This video is about the E11 halogen LED replacement. I'm buying these LED lights on Amazon, and they're all pretty much the same. The problem is when I replace this light here, give you a close look at it. It's a E11. They're 50-watt bulbs, and they've got a tip on them. You can kind of see that is different than the tip on this one. A little different. This one's a broader tip, and this one's a sharper tip. So what happens is I go to screw it in and screw it in pretty tight, and I over tightened it. Oh shit. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. Actually, the cap came off of this one. I tightened it so much. Okay, so it doesn't work. So what, and this one works if I screw it in there. I'm not going to screw it in because it gets real hot. So what I've found that I need to do is I take one of these screwdrivers and I look up. I think you can kind of see where there's a tab up there. So I take the screwdriver after I turn off the breaker, and I make that tab go down a little bit, and I'll show you what the result is.